Today I'm showing you how to make homemade cat food. First you will need 1,800 grams of chicken thighs. Why chicken thighs and not chicken breast? Because chicken thighs are fattier and somehow fattier is better for your cat. Make it into small bits because it's good for a cat's teeth. Some people also use minced chicken, but that won't be as good for your cat's teeth as bits are. Then you will need 200 grams of liver. Usually I buy a bigger amount, divide them into 200 grams, put them in the freezer, and when I need to make cat food the day before, I take the one out, I put it in the fridge so it would melt, and the next day I can put it in the food processor and do like this. Into liquid, because then it will divide evenly, and it's really important that your cat gets the same amount of liver each day. And also make sure that your chicken is always fresh. This powder, it's TC Premix Basic. It has different flavors. Why do I use Basic? Because it has calcium from bone, and that is very good for a cat. I order it from Germany, so you will need 120 grams of it. Put it all in. Then you will need 472 milliliters of water, and nothing happens if you put a little more, so 2 cups is fine. And then I turn it on. So now I have finished mixing water and liver and this premix. I poured it in here. Make sure you mix it up really nicely. Then you take a plastic bag, put it on a kitchen scale and divide this amount into about 80 grams. It can be more or less, depends how much your cat eats. Then you do a knot and it's done. 1 portion, and then I will keep going until all of this is finished. So this is the amount of food I got, 30 servings. So now I have put it in the freezer. Let's pretend that it's already frozen. Then every night I'm taking out the amount I need for the next day. For example, if your cat eats 4 bags a day, then you take 4 portions out. And then you put it on a plate. And then you take the plate and put it in the fridge. And during the night, it will melt. In the morning, I will take 1 and give it to my cat. During the lunchtime, I will give another 1, and so on. And then, before I go to bed, I take another batch out for the next day. That's it.